up guys, welcome back to another video. This is part 3 of me installing this engine onto my Range Rover. If you've been watching my videos, I blew up the engine in my Range Rover. There's the old one over there. Timing chain failure, so we went ahead and built this 5.0 that I had laying around, and I already did a whole bunch of service. I did transmission fluid, differential fluid, and then did the motor mounts. So now it's time to get this engine in there and fire this thing up. I miss driving this truck. It's my daily driver, so let's get to it. So now all I have to do is bolt on the transmission, and then do the torque converter bolts, and then the exhaust bolts, and we can start working on the supercharger and all that. But first I'm gonna do the transmission and then the torque converter. Alright guys, so I went ahead and tightened all the bolts around the transmission, the torque converter, the motor mounts, the exhaust, and now we can start working on the supercharger. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys this box here. I have the rear crossover pipe, and I'm gonna upgrade it with the aluminum version. So I'm gonna unbox this real quick and then show you guys what's inside. Here's the aluminum crossover pipe. It already comes with a sensor. I'm just not sure if I'm gonna use it. I'd rather just have the OEM. But now that I remember, it's fairly easy to change even if it fails. This one has a lot of room compared to my blue car. It's just hard to replace this sensor, so I'm just gonna leave it there. And if it fails, I'd rather just have everything OEM. I did get this from eBay. The quality looks alright. It was about $65 including shipping. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and then I'll come back to you guys. I do recommend you guys to upgrade this part. It's only $65. I'm also gonna get the, not now, but I'm gonna eventually get the aluminum thermostat, and then I'm trying to upgrade all the cooling system. So I'm gonna do the same to my blue XF. So let me get this installed and then come back to you guys. Got the rear upgraded crossover pipe installed. Everything's hooked up. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the front water pump, and then after that I'm gonna do the supercharger. Another thing I forgot to mention, this is another pipe that I'm upgraded. This goes between the water pump and the oil cooler. So you can also get these in aluminum. Same thing, got them from eBay. I already got the little O-ring on the oil cooler, so now I'm gonna use a little bit of assembly lube to use to lubricate the inside, so that way I don't damage the little O-ring.
$2,000 years later.
Hope it starts. Ready, Guillermo?
Yeah.
There you go.
Wait.
Whoa, what the fuck? I didn't connect the fuel hose. I didn't connect the fuel line. Oh, man. Alright. Hope I'm not forgetting anything else. I can try. Ready, Guillermo? I think it's gonna start. I'm just gonna let the gas dry out because I don't want this thing to catch on fire. Here we go. Hey guys, so we got the Range Rover running. It's been a couple days, actually almost a week.
I've been daily driving this Range Rover for about a week and no problems. So that's good. Has been fixed. Here it is. So let's go ahead and start it for you guys. I'm gonna pop the hood, show you guys the engine, but first I'm gonna start it for you guys. Little cold start. Runs great, no issues, and it sounds smooth. No issues. Inside of the cabin, actually it runs really smooth now that I got new motor mounts. Doesn't even feel like the engine's running. I'm gonna shut it off and then show you guys the engine. So here's the engine bay. Alright guys, so hope you guys can see me. I'm gonna go ahead and drive the Range Rover just so you guys can see it's working fine. Like I said, it's been about a week. I've been daily driving this truck and no issues. So we're gonna go for a spin. Make sure, just want to show you guys how nice this thing rides. As you can see, it rides really smooth. Love the air suspension on this thing. So let me know what you guys think, and if you have a question, let me know. I'll try to answer it as best as I can. I know a lot of people have questions about these engines, especially the timing, how to time it, and how to do the tensioners and all that. So hit me up if you have any questions. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned. There's a lot more videos coming. Thank you.